If you've never been on an electric skateboard, how are you supposed to know what size wheels you need? How do you know if you need an all-terrain board? Here are some tips. If you've seen others in your city use regular skateboards or longboards on roads, not at the skate park or sidewalks, but on actual roads with cars, then any electric skateboard should be fine on those roads as well. If your roads look smooth and free of debris, but nobody in your area skates, so you're not sure if they're good for skating, get a longboard that uses belt drive to allow you to change to larger wheels if necessary. If your roads are smooth but have lots of pebbles or other debris, you probably need an all-terrain board, but get it with wheels around 120mm if available, instead of the larger 6 or 7-inch wheels. And finally, if you'll be riding on dirt roads or uneven terrain, or if comfort is a lot more important to you than carving and portability, then you should get a board that uses all-terrain wheels. This video is sponsored by Defective. Get your Kwan merch and e-skate inspired apparel and stickers at defective.com. Defective, not defective. That's defective.com.